Okay, welcome back, y'all. I guess this will be part two to the one I just did because I accidentally touched it wrong. The phone. This is a brand new phone. It's still in activating process, so to speak. Began activating it almost 2.5 days ago. Attempted to activate it, like calling Spectrum Mobile tech support because I have Spectrum, and so I went on and got a Spectrum Mobile because we live in an area that the only company that will service us with internet, Wi-Fi, TV service, stuff like that is Spectrum. So I figured might as well get the Spectrum phones. When I was out of my phone was broken and not working correctly. I moved here last year September. I think September, August or September. Anyway, I love the area. The neighborhood is really nice, usually peaceful. It's not far from the Antler Stadium where the high schools have their football games. And I could really walk there, as a matter of fact. It's a good walk. What, a mile? I don't think it's a mile. Maybe a half a mile. This spot right here, my friend Judy's spot, it's just like right here. Look at this. Look at the sun out there. It's bright sun, hot. This spot right here, heavenly. If you gotta live here, at least if you can have a spot like this. See, I got a bandana. I had a hat on, so it didn't matter. I'm saying it didn't matter because I wear bandanas a lot, but I usually try to pull them down and cover my, almost to my ears or whatever, cover my uncombed sides. This is one of those hats I got. What used to tend to do late, kind of last years, most recent years, is excuse me. I would wait for the clearance sales that they have during the change of season. So I bought several summer straw hats when they were getting ready to put out the fall and winter stuff. So I got them really cheap. I got like several of these big floppy hats, and they're pretty. And that's a pretty hat. Got a little OP. So what is the brand? I think that's OP, right? The brand is, yeah, Ocean Pacific. Okay. Ocean Pacific Women's something.
It'll dump it.
Oh, your grease?
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha. It sure smells good. Ocean Pacific Women's. What does this say? Women's. Like I got this on Women's OS Spot Clean, made in China. 80% paper and 20% PP. What is PP, I wonder? What kind of material is that? 80% paper. This hat is made out of paper. Uh-oh. She come running out. Sweet Gracie, my friends. Beautiful little, sweet little black and white and brown. What is she? She's part, is she part Dachshund? I'm thinking she's part Dachshund. I forgot. Oh Lord, I feel terrible. Anyway, oh, this breeze feels so nice. But still, I do cover up from time to time because of my allergies. There's still a lot of cedar around here. I'm allergic to cedar, pollen and whatnot. But anyway, I got my little cute little dress and took off my leggings. They were hot. I had on white leggings with this dress. Now I just have on shorts under the dress. Anyway, made it to church. I am really getting back I want to get back into fellowshipping on a regular basis with a body of believers like myself. I would at one time was extremely engaged, involved, and active in ministry. I was even a lay minister uh, the first 5 years. Within the first 5 years that I relocated to Texas from Chicago, Illinois. 94, I moved to San Antonio, Texas. That's a whole lifetime ago, and that period is a whole book or movie, a series. I won't go into it now. No. But anyway, this is a brand new phone. Like I said on the previous video that I accidentally cut off, interrupted. Brand new phone, and it looks so pretty and clear. It's supposed to have been, yeah, that's one reason I upgraded. When I dropped my other phone and cracked the screen real bad. All shattered, like, it still worked, but the screen is ruined. And I dropped it up on the what's called the empty cross hill. Oh, thank you. This is for baby. Oh, more treats. Thank you. Okay. Oh, look at here. Gracie, mom buys these treats, and she ended up being real picky. Don't like them. My brat baby ends up getting a lot of nice treats. This is I'm not sure, treats for dogs, something, the name is off, Kabula, I'm not sure, but she got all kind of nice stuff from that Gracie turns her nose up at. She's very particular. Real beef hide or something combined, something treat that will keep your pup's tail wagging. Beef hide, chicken, wheat flour, pea protein, glycerin, yeast powder, fructose, artificial chicken flavoring, artificial pork flavoring, artificial beef flavoring, citric acid, FDNA yellow 6, FDNA red 40. Caramel pigment, guaranteed analysis, crude protein 50.0% minimum, crude fat 0.5% minimum, crude fiber 2.0% maximum, and moisture 18.0% maximum. Calorie content calculated ME, metabolized energy, calories 2,755 kcal/kg, 35.8 kcal per treat. Okay, treats for all dogs, made with real chicken, great source of protein, promotes dental health, resealable bag for longer shelf life. She sliced it open. Every package of natural pet products is certified plastic neutral by Repurpose Global to help solve the global plastic waste crisis. Every purchase of a natural pet product allows for the removal of an equal amount of plastic from nature. Learn more at www.repurpose.global. Now, the thing I really like about this is dental benefit. Promotes dental health, help baby's gums. She don't eat a lot of stuff. A lot of this got all these colorings and stuff in there, which is obviously not great. Well, for human consumption, I don't know if it affects dogs the same way. Oh no! I see one of the screws that I had put in a piece of tape to give Angela and Casey when they come through for the grill. I left for them to pick up. Here's the other screw. All right. There's only 2 screws. Oh, goodness. And the tape didn't do any good. Wow. The tape, I noticed when I tried to tape the screws, maybe because they were so greasy, they had a lot of that metal oil, tool oil or something. Anyway, I'm going to eat my delicious food. My friend Judy, I gave her a wonderful, beautiful crock pot that I never used. I'm giving away stuff, trying to sell stuff. Some of y'all know the story. But anyway, She fixed me a nice plate. Cabbage, beef stew, mashed potatoes. I love all of you. Thank you who have been following along the times when I was starting out, being able to post more. I'll hopefully get to that soon. I'm supposed to move my 45th shipping container dolly this Thursday. We wanted to try to do it last week, but the rain made it too wet anyway. And I'm still really trying to finish the prep work, like drain the 40-gallon water container that's still inside that I haven't figured out how to get the hose to turn it on, to turn the hose on and connect it. Let the water go running out. So I'm going to look up for RHEEM, RHEEM, I think is how you spell it, hot water heaters, how to actually hook up my hose to a 40-gallon hot water heater and drain it. I want to toss that hot water heater anyway, put in a tankless water heater. If I keep it, that's what I would do. But if I can sell it, I'm at the point now of giving up on the dream. You know, I invested over 20 grand insulating the 32 feet of it, leaving 8 feet of it. It's a 40-footer, uninsulated for the garage storage area. I put so much money and blood, sweat, tears into it. I was hoping I could find a spot, you know, I could live in it where it's at. I've been paying $450 a month for lot rent. I thought that was a great deal. He had said he wanted a long-term renter, but you know, life changes, and he's got a bunch of kids and a bunch of grandkids, and now he says I got to get my container off his property by the end of June because a family member is moving in that lot space. It's an RV lot space, hook up to water, sewer, electric, and all that. And a family member is gonna need that spot, is needing that spot, wanting to move there, and blah blah blah. Anyway, again, thank all of you who've been supporting me, following me, kind of keeping up a little bit. I love you, love you, love you, love you. I love YouTube, and I love YouTube, especially small YouTubers like me, and the ones ahead of me, and the others more in my range of time span. Thank you all so much. Love you all so much for teaching us so much. And I'm going to have to wrap up now and finish my food. And as the saying goes, you know, I got to wrap up this video. Hope to see you in the next video. And please comment. Excuse me. Especially your watch hours and commenting. I think will help me grow gradually, slowly but surely. I'm making slow progress, but that's better than no progress, and I'm real happy about that. Going on 70 years old, starting life over. I'm blessed despite all the crises, despite all the mess, despite all the drama and all the setbacks. I got a great part of the dream that I had for tiny home living accomplished. I fell short. Couldn't find property where I could actually put it that I could own. Rent to own would be awesome, but I don't know anybody selling properties like that. Do you? Let me know if you do in this area, guys. I don't want to be too far. I don't want to be out of the Texas Hill Country. So, you know, even if it's on the property, some property a person owns, they have big enough acreage, they're like, hey, I got an acre over there on this 500 acres or whatever it is. I got an acre over there you can actually have, and you can pay me, make payments. And hey guys, if y'all hear of something like that, or if you have something like that in the vicinity between San Antonio, Texas, not even that far, I don't want to go that far, I would say between Bernie, Texas, and Hunt, Texas, Ingram, Texas. I don't really want Bandera, but Harper, Texas, maybe. What else? What else is? Did I say Center Point, Texas? Oh, I love Center Point. Some parts of Center Point I absolutely love. That's where my container is now, in Center Point. Kerrville, Texas. There's no places here that I think allow. It's in the city, you know, that allow someone to have a container, live in a container. On the residential, no, it won't work. It got to be kind of like what's unrestricted property. Again, so love all y'all. Thank you for watching. Over and out for now. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Stay blessed. Blessings. Stay blessed. Blessings. You all are blessings. Over and out for now. I'll be back, God willing.